Back Matic family, in the last updates we were calling for a pump, and I'm going to go over what we were talking about in last week's Matic update that were giving us these signals that price was going to have a rally to the upside. In fact, if you've been tuning into my channel and watching other videos apart from Matic, which I do recommend because there's some amazing projects on the channel that are going to give life-changing gains and potentially make millionaires in the upcoming 2025 bull market. Now, the signs were there, and the basic signs were we had a key level of support that was eventually returned to, and right over here, yes, we lost it, but we can see it very quickly reclaimed it. And on that reclaim, we were given this signal. We see lower lows in price. But if I turn on my indicator over here, we see these blue waves. We're looking at the ends of the blue waves. We can see that this one is higher than the previous. And if we're lining this up exactly on the chart, so we line them up very nicely, just like that for you guys, we can see when this one appeared, we've got higher lows over here on the second one. But down here, this was lower than that. So this is something just showing a disagreement. This is called a bullish divergence. And we're at a key level of support where this appeared, a point of a reversal. So this is giving more value to it. It's giving it, basically proof that it should happen, basically, if we're getting a divergence. We know that this is support. We know that we reclaimed it. It should go up. But then we have further confirmations, further confluences, just like this bullish divergence. This is what's going to allow us to believe with more confidence that price is going to trend higher. And we came up exactly where we needed to. This previous support as resistance, as well as the moving averages. Price can continue higher. Now, what we're seeing in the immediate short term on some cryptos like your Bitcoin and some alts is price now rejecting key levels of resistance after the rally over the past two days. And so I still believe there's room to go up higher, but if we do come down, we just need to hold pretty much where we are right now, maybe a little bit lower, about 54. Let's just say where's 55 cent. So yeah, we can come down to 54.32, but yeah, let's hold 55 cent, and this is where we could get a break above this point. So right now in the immediate short term, yes, we could be coming down. We're still maintaining this support. We've got a higher low over here. So technically you just need to hold that higher low. Above the higher low, we have our 20. So we can come down to there. That's that area that we were just talking about. And then looking for a break past this area, looking to support for a larger pump, more towards 65 to 70 cent. Yeah, so that would be 65 to 70 cent. This is where the next pump would come. I think at that point Bitcoin might be 29,000-30,000, and that's where I'm expecting Bitcoin to top out. At the end of this video, my Bitcoin update will appear. Please urge you guys to go ahead and watch that. That's how we were able to call this Matic pump. If we saw the signs on Bitcoin, let's now further confirm that with other alts. So we saw it on Casper, which we called a very nice free trade on the channel. We called a VeChain free trade on the channel. We called a Quant free trade on the channel for you guys to profit. Now, if you're not finding ways to profit, even though all the information is there for you guys to use this information, do your own analysis and take trades and profit along with, if you're not able to do that as of now, do consider taking action on my education. I have 5 years of market experience, and I've taught over 100 people in the past. If you want to 10x your learning curve and get to your end goal quicker, private message me on Twitter. I'm going to sit with you for a period of 5 to 10 hours. Also, of course, split into 1 hour sessions. And then I'm going to teach you all the things you need, all the tools you need to build the house will be there. You just need to have that hard work, determination, discipline, and consistency to keep going with it. Because, yeah, you might heard those stories of people become traders in 3 to 6 months. Most of the time, this is not the case, and it can take some years. And this is why I'd rather just bring the reality. As long as you feel like you have the hard work, consistency, and determination to keep going at it, no matter the failure, this is how you separate yourself from the 97% of people that are lying and not actually winning. There's only my voice just cracked, winning. There's only 3% of people actually taking money out of this market. And if you've been following this channel long enough, you see pretty much every week we're getting these calls correct. So if you want to be able to call like me, just private message me with the links in the description down below over on twitter.com. Either take action on the course, the one-to-one mentorship plan. With that, I'm going to actually include the course totally free, as well as 3 months free in my chat with both options. Whether you want to do the course or the mentorship, you're going to get 3 months free in my chat. If you just want to chat, you can do so. We do weekly group calls. Again, entries, exits, take profits, stop losses, trade cheat sheet. You need these all to be checked off, and that's how we're entering a trade. If they're not all checked off, we're not entering the trade. And so we're very disciplined, and by protecting our money, we believe that we will make more money. This is how we're trading on the channel and in the community for all those 100 people that I've taught in the past. So if that's of interest, message me. Otherwise, this is the expectation going forward for Matic Polygon. It can, of course, change. Lose this wick low at 5059. We are going to be continuing lower. I think that this will eventually come in the future. However, right now in the immediate short term, there could be further bullish signals that are sending us higher. Just need to hold this 20 moving average of support for another wave up. And at that point, I think Bitcoin will be topping out 29,000-30,000. And then that's where we do head lower than this price point over here at the bottom over here of our range. However, if things change, if Bitcoin pushes through 30,000, which has been our 2021, 2022 bottom of the bull market, that was that 28, 30K area. If that is then reclaimed right now, we push through that, we confirm its support, we break through our July high of 32K, then things will change, and then Polygon will be on a different path, and it will be going much, much, much higher than 65 to 70 cents. But if we are topping at that previous bull market support now as resistance, as we saw back in July when we rejected it at 32,000, if we are just going up there for another rejection, this is where we will see Matic Polygon, after having this short-term pump over the last week, eventually come crashing back down. I will be here to further update you guys if anything does change. In general, I'm going to update you guys as of when I can. There's so many cryptos to cover on the channel, so it's not possible to constantly update every single one of them every single day. If anything changes, if anything drastic happens, I'll be here to make an update. So turn on that notification bell. You need to be a subscriber to do so, and let's get those likes up on these videos. Let's try and get to 30 to 50 likes on this, because I know Matic's quite new on the channel. Did do it 2 years ago here, but yeah, it's quite new again. So if you want further updates, let me know in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to make further updates. And again, coming down in the immediate short term, as long as we maintain above the 20, just push through this, and we're getting this pump towards 65 to 70 cent, in which I believe Bitcoin will top out, and this is where we start dumping. If that changes, if 30K is reclaimed, I'll let you guys know. But you can see already over here, 200 EMA, the white one. Previously, we didn't even have to touch it. We came towards it, and what did it do? It sent us lower. This was our lowest body. We made new lows with the body. Yes, we maintained the wick. That's what's giving us this pump, as well as this bullish divergence, which I was able to give you totally for free with my 5 years of market experience here on the channel. So if you want to see further videos on Matic, I will do so. Just let me know in the comment, and of course a like will confirm that as well. But we can see that even if we come up to 70 cent, it's not really changing the trend. We can see previously we made the lower lows. Could that be the case again? I think that's where Bitcoin tops at 30K. The Bitcoin video will be here right now. Again, if you want to reach out to me to become a trader, link in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.